Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove and fully uninstall your display drivers from your computer. So to do this, we're going to be using a program called Display Driver Uninstaller. So if you come to this link here, the link will be in the description, and you then come to the software section, you can then select the latest version of the Display Driver Uninstaller. So for me, I'm just going to click the latest version here, and then on this next page here, I'm then going to come down to the bottom, and I'm going to click here for download and support. And then on the next page, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom again, and then I'm going to click the official download link here. Right, so now the program's finished downloading, I'm now going to come to my downloads folder, and then I'm just going to extract the file. Right, so now the file's extracted, and then I'm going to open the file up, and then I'm going to run the application file here. Right, so as this is the first time opening up the program, you can then select whatever options you want. I'm just going to leave it on the default, and then I'm going to click close. Now it is recommended that you run this in safe mode, but I'm not going to run it in safe mode at the minute, but if you are doing it, it does recommend that you do run it in safe mode. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to come to this drop down box here, and we're going to select our device, so that is a GPU, and then it should automatically detect your GPU. So to uninstall and fully remove your display drivers, all you need to do is just click the clean and restart button here. So once you click the clean and restart button, that should start removing your display drivers from your computer, and then once it's done doing that, it will then restart your computer. So I'm going to click the button to start doing that. Right, so now the computer's restarted. If we now come to the search bar and we type Device Manager, and we open Device Manager up, and then we come to the display adapters. As you can see, we now have just the basic display adapter driver that comes with Windows 10. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like this video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike to hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.